I am Ravitra Bhavani from SIRT College, and today I have got chance to represent this model in which I am telling about CNN's project. Here CNN, first we will understand what is CNN. CNN is convolutional neural network. It is used in deep learning model, and it is usually used mainly for image classification. It automatically learns features from images such as edges, colors, shapes, and patterns. Using convolutional and pooling layers, CNN are very effective for tasks like recognition, face detection, and object classification. So I try to make you understand the code. So first here we have, as I have mentioned, like in using hashtags, here firstly we are using L2 regularization for shelf product recognition because the product is based on that, and then L2 regularization is used to reduce overfitting and penalizing the large weights. Now the model sequential, like to make model sequential, we have used this for building this, and this means sequential means layers are added step by step, and then from here to here it means that we are expecting basic features like edges, corners, input sizes, 128 into 128, RGB images, and L2 controls overfitting here, and then there is this max pooling, which is used to reduce image size and keeps important information. And then when we are making second convolutional layer here, in this it is padded because to learn deeper features like shapes and textures. And then second max pooling here helps us to reduce the size and make computation faster. And then this last layer is flattened layer, in which we are in which 2D features maps are converted into 1D vector for dense layers, and then we have added a dense hidden layer here. This is our dense hidden layer, in which its work is to learn high level pattern and recognize L2 regularization in applied again. And then this is our output layer, in which we are predicting 5 product category using probability values, and then last compile is used to compile the model, in which we are using Adam optimizer, which learns faster, and loss functions for multi-class classification, and it tracks accuracy. And then for training we are using model fit, in which the model learns from training images and labels the data, and then model summary is used to show the model structure and parameters. And this is our output according to our input. So thank you so much.